Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're exploring the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 instant camera, presented in an incredible accessory gift bundle. This isn't just a camera, it's a complete package designed for instant memory making right out of the box. This value-packed bundle includes the famous Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 camera in a color of your choice, with a matching camera case for protection. Crucially, it provides 40 Fujifilm Instax films, so the fun starts immediately without extra purchases. The bundle truly shines with its thoughtful additions. A perfectly sized photo album is included for those instant prints. For personalization, there are frames to hang and decorate, a variety of stickers, and even close-up color lenses for creative shots. A camera sticker adds an extra pop of color. It's a truly comprehensive offering. Now to the star, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 itself. This updated camera boasts a sleek, slim body with a fresh design. It even comes with two interchangeable shutter buttons, one a dazzling jewel and the other a cool glow-in-the-dark option, allowing for personal flair. One of the Mini 11's standout features is its automatic exposure. This intelligent system automatically selects the optimal shutter speed for any environment. Whether capturing moments in bright sunlight or a dimly lit party, the Mini 11 ensures both backgrounds and subjects are beautifully bright and clear. Say goodbye to dark, underexposed photos. This camera handles it all with ease. For selfie enthusiasts, the Mini 11 has a built-in macro mode and a convenient selfie mirror. Perfect self-portraits are a breeze. Simply pull out the lens barrel until the selfie mode mark appears. Even with this fantastic built-in feature, the bundle still includes additional close-up lenses, offering more creative possibilities. This Fujifilm Instax camera is incredibly versatile, ideal for a multitude of occasions. Whether it's capturing the joy of parties, the milestones of birthdays and anniversaries, the excitement of carnivals, or simply as a thoughtful gift, the Mini 11 is an excellent choice. One will certainly not regret the purchase of this Mini 11, especially as the most valued gift bundle at an unbeatable price. It's an instant hit for creating tangible memories.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.